lovely people, welcome to my channel. This is Naturally DCS TV, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use guava leaves to remove your dark spots, your pimple, your acne, and any facial blemishes that you have. Yes, and before we get into the video, please, if today is your first time watching my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever there is a new upload. And let's get into the video. So I have my guava leaves here. As you can see, it's fresh, and guava leaves, due to its higher percentage of vitamin C, guava leaves can help get rid of your acne. It helps tighten the facial muscles. It has high anti-aging properties, and it eliminates black spots from the skin, as it contains antiseptic that can kill acne causing bacteria. So I have this. We've all seen the properties that it contains. So I'm going ahead. Let me wash it. So first of all, wash it first to remove all the dirt around on it. So I'll go ahead and wash it again. Right, so this time around I'm going to need a blender. I have my fruit processor here, so I'm going to use it too. So I'm going to transfer everything into it. I just want it to be so cute, so I'm using this type of the blender. I'm going to add just few water to it, not even half of it, then cover it. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is my blended guava leaves. I'm going to need a strainer and a container. I'm going ahead to strain this. You leave this for a drink or a flat tummy if you want to. So I'm just going to use the chaff here. So my next ingredient here is I need honey. Honey also helps to soothe, moisturize the skin as well. So I'm going ahead to add it. Alright, so that's the mixture I have right here. I'm going to apply it to my face. So stay tuned to see how I'm going to apply this to my skin. Okay guys, so I have my guava leaves face mask here, or my skin mask here. Alright, sorry, let me tie my hair. So I'm going ahead to be applying it to my skin. If you don't have a blender, please do well to use if you have a mortar that you can use so that you wouldn't add more water to it. Using a mortar will do very well. It will prevent you from adding more water to it. So you go ahead, make sure alright guys, so I'm done. That's the remaining that I have here. I'm going to store this in the fridge and use it anytime I want to. So I'm going to leave this on for 30 minutes, yes, and I'll rinse it off with water. Yes, if you have oily skin, what you have to do is after you use it with it, you rinse it with warm water. Yes, make sure you wash it with it. You apply your moisturizer. Yes, you can apply your carrot oil, which is very good for fading dark spots as well. Alright, please, we've come to the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever there is a new upload. Thank you for watching.